Greetings everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create or launch your own meme coin using our website which name is pump.fun. Let's Google the website pump.fun and I will show you step-by-step guide about how you can create your meme coin on this website. So first of all, I will just open this website and you need to create an account over this website so that you can create your own meme coin. Okay, you can also handle supply chain, you can also do live trading there as well at the same time using your same account. Okay, so I will just accept all the terms and condition. I will go for a create a coin option, and through this option you can also create your account. So first of all, I need to log into log into my account in order to create an account. So I will just click on this login button, and I will go with this one, login with email or social accounts. So I will prefer to log in with Google account. So I will select this one and select my Gmail account. I will accept terms and condition and click continue button. So in this section, it will just verify your Google account, and after that you can just create your coin. Okay, now we will need to fill a form for creating a coin in which we will mention the name of our coin, and we will also add the symbol, and about we will also add the number of coins we want to create. Okay, it's just loading. So our account is now verified. Now we will just fill this form to create a coin. Now we will give our coin a name. So I will just write love coin, and the symbol for this coin is we will we will write our symbol or for the coin ticker like this, HEHE. Okay, so this is going to be our symbol, and you can also write the description. For now I will just skip it because it's optional. If you want to write your description, you can write on your own, and then you have to select a video or image to upload. Okay, so I will just select a random picture for the coin, and you random picture, so I will just upload this one. Okay, and then I will go with the create coin button to create a coin, and it will now ask for the how many coins we want to create. We can just skip this option as well. Okay, so I'll just click on create coin, and now it's just processing and it will automatically create our coin, and I will show you the dashboard of our coin. So as you can see that our coin is created. Now I click on view coin, and in this section you can see that our love coin is now launched here, and it's also displaying the time. It's 12 seconds ago we have just created the account, and sorry, meme coin. And you can also check the market cap. You can also do some trading through here. Okay, and you can also go live stream yourself so that you can do this trading live. Okay, so that's how you can create your create and launch your meme coin using pump.fun website. I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel, and I'll catch you later in the next video. Thanks for watching.